October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The disease is a battle no one wants to fight, but when one Arkansan's mother was diagnosed with the illness, another battle began, paying the hospital bills.
And their situation is not unique. THV11's Sarah Hobakowitz walks us through the rise in families turning to crowdfunding to help pay medical expenses.
If you visit GoFundMe.com, you'll see a lot of hopeful stories. Some lighter, like a trip to Iceland or supporting a budding artist, but others come with more urgency.
Posting the GoFundMe was definitely a move of a last resort. It was a last resort, and it was out of desperation.
Kyle Kidd, a comedian on TikTok, never thought he'd be at the center of a post on GoFundMe until his mom was diagnosed with stage 4 inflammatory breast cancer.
And when people are fighting for their lives, you know, that's the last thing that you want to worry about is money.
With bills totaling close to $200,000, Kyle says he wasn't left with much of a choice.
We knew that if, we didn't have that money, that she would die.
And he's not alone. As healthcare expenses rise, a study published in January in one of the journals of the American Medical Association shows that there was a large increase in the use of medical fundraisers on GoFundMe over time. That's from 42 fundraisers in 2010 to over 100,000 in 2018. It's a massive increase, more than 2,000 times higher in just 8 years. And that tells a larger story of more public reliance on crowdsourced donations to pay for rising medical costs.
Nobody that I know could afford, $40,000+ a month.
But also allows for hopeful stories individually.
$20,000 goal that we met in under an hour. I have no words, absolutely no words.
As GoFundMe says, they're seeing more generosity as the use of the site over the pandemic has increased overall.
In a way, GoFundMe saved my mom's life.
Just a few days ago, Kyle found out that his mother's in remission from cancer, something their doctor is calling a medical miracle. Miracle is also something that Kyle's using to describe the outpouring support from GoFundMe. And GoFundMe expects their 2021 donations to be even higher than the past and says they'll be releasing those numbers over the next few months. For now, reporting, Sarah Hobakowitz, THV11 News.